Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil. A second bullish white soldier and a reactionary move back up yesterday after last week's weekly key reversal down. It was also a pullback up and away from the interesting 38.2% Fibonacci line of the September to December 2023 move at 82 even, plus a breach and close right on the upper bear channel line, currently at 82.68 of the recently drawn April to date bear channel. And that's currently 82.68 down to 77.29. Further above, we have the mauve highlighted medium moving average, currently 83.89, and a little beyond that, the flatlining long moving average, currently 84.31. Overall, in very early May, the market broke down below the bright red highlighted December 2023 to late April 2024 lower bull channel line, currently 86.19, and we've spent enough time below and traveled down far enough for me to consider setting out some potentials for this move down. Thus, a primary target X would be in the 78 even zone, with a secondary harder to reach target X2 down in the 72.30 zone. Now, there's one other pattern I'd like to discuss, and that is the mid-March to end of April head and shoulders top with the purple neckline currently at 86.66. We had enough of a move lower on this one to reach the primary target in the 82.63 zone. However, we still have the harder to reach secondary target X1 down in the 79.41 zone. So far today, a higher open over the dark blue bear channel line, but only a small move higher so far, though it is starting to become more significant. It's seemingly cautious about testing the overhead medium moving average that's up just above it, and that's up at 83.89, so just watch out for that one. Spot gold. A bullish opening white Mariposa yesterday and a second bullish white soldier as well as a follow-on higher to late last week's, and it's possible two-day tweezer bottom. Prices pushed back up and closed over the lower time, currently at 23.42 of the breached but unbroken dark blue highlighted mid-March to very early April bullish shift pitch hawk. Above and some distance away is the 100% projected Fibonacci line at 24.07. The middle time also at 24.33 with a bright red highlighted early October 2023 to mid-February 2024 bullish shift pitch hawk, as well as the April high at 24.31. Below the dark blue lower time, we have the rising short medium moving average currently at 23.05. Highlighted in green on my daily chart, and an old 50% projected Fibonacci line at 23.01. Okay, so in recent days I had looked at the action since mid-March as a possible bullish halfway hesitation, and we might well still be in the process of forming the second leg of this pattern, giving a potential topside target up in the 25.40 area, up off the top of my daily chart. However, I'm mindful of the declines last week and the possibility now that we may have looked like a possible bullish halfway hesitation may instead end up being a double top or some other such bearish pattern. So whilst I will keep front and center with this bullish halfway hesitation idea for now, I can also see alternatives just in case. So far today, a slightly higher open, a small move up, but then a pullback down to the dark blue lower time of the bullish shift pitch hawk.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.